Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all in our EVS class. This is Suman Bhakar, and today I'll explaining question answers and book exercise of chapter 8, Insects and Creepy Crawlies. Clear? So, this is page number 80 of your textbook. Let us start from here. Write T for true and F for false statement. Insects like bees and mosquitoes can bite us. Yes, this statement is true. So write down T here. Then termites damage the wooden furniture. Termite means जो दीमक होती है वो wooden furniture को damage करती है. Again, it's true. So write down T here. Cockroaches never spoil food. This is false statement. So you have to write F this side. Clear? Now here our book exercise is complete. Means reading portion is complete. Now we will start. Let us practice exercise. Clear? First is fill in the blanks. Insects are the animals whose bodies are made up of 3 parts. Mosquitoes are dangerous as they spread diseases. Then the third one, ants are known as social insect. Ants को social insects इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि वो हमेशा ग्रुप में रहते हैं. That's why we call them social insects. Clear? Then spider is a creepy crawly. An earthworm is called farmer's best friend. Now come to the next one, match the following. In match the following, you can match it through lines. And if you want to write the number, you can do that thing also. Clear? So first one is they make hives. Hives कौन बनाता है? छत्ते कौन बनाता है? Honeybees. Spider, web. Malaria, it is spread by mosquito. And earthworm make soil fertile. मैंने आपको चैप्टर में बताया था कि वो सॉइल को रोटेट करता रहता है जिसकी वजह से इजीली जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो ब्रीथ कर पाते हैं और इस वजह से वो सॉइल फर्टाइल हो जाता है. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. So 5 questions are given here. One by one, I'll explain the answers. First one is, what are creepy crawlies? So the answer is here. There are some creatures which crawl on the ground, for example, spiders and worms. They are called creepy crawlies. Clear? Now the next one. What are the 3 parts of an insect body? Insect's body. So here you have to write the name of these 3 parts. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Clear? But in your notebook, you have to explain these terms also. So if any question related to this will come in your exam, you can easily do there. Okay? So head, it bears the main sense organs like eyes and antenna and the parts of the mouth of an insect. Second is thorax. This is the middle portion that bears the legs and wings of the insect. And third is abdomen part. It is the stomach of an insect. It is divided into segments. Clear? So you have to write the whole answer. Now, where do cockroaches live? Cockroach कहाँ पर रहते हैं? So cockroaches live in dark places. They hide themselves during the day but are very active at night. Clear? दिन के समय वो डार्क प्लेसेस पे छुपे हुए होते हैं और रात में वो एक्टिव हो जाते हैं और तब वो आपके घर के जो किचन पोर्शन होता है या फिर जो सिंक वाला एरिया होता है वहां पर निकलना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Why are honeybees called social insects? Honeybees को social insect क्यों बोला जाता है? Honeybees are called social insects because they live and work in colonies. वो colonies बनाकर रहते हैं, ग्रुप में रहते हैं, एक साथ रहते हैं. That's why they are called social insects. Clear? Now the last one. How are houseflies harmful to us? Houseflies कैसे हमारे लिए harmful है? Houseflies are carriers of many diseases and can make us ill. वो कई डिजीज को अपने साथ लेकर चलती है क्योंकि जहां भी वो बैठती है वहां से गंदगी को अपने पैरों में लगा लेती है और जिस भी पर्सन पे वो जाके बैठती है वहां उस गंदगी को छोड़ती है तो वो पर्सन बीमार हो जाता है. दे स्प्रेड डिजीजेस सच एज टाइफाइड, cholera and dysentery. Clear? So these three diseases are diseases spread by house flies. That's why it's harmful for us. Clear? So students, question answers you have to do in your notebook and match the following and fill in the blanks you have to do in your textbook. Here our chapter number 8 is complete. In our next class, we will start from new chapter. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.